Good day, everyone. How are you today? How is the weather over there? Right? Today we want to look into inequalities. Thank you all for your support. In our last topic, we looked into SERT, and every one of you took your time to share the series. And I want to thank you all because SERT had one of the highest view on one of our handles. So thank you for sharing our video and thank you for supporting Heart That Teach. Alright, so please and please don't stop supporting us and don't stop liking and making comments on any of the video we upload. Thank you all. Alright, now I want to examine inequalities. Now in inequalities, this is one of the topics which are very important in mathematics, okay? And based on requests, I will be explaining it in series, just like we've been doing, okay? And if you observe that there is a topic that is giving you issues, you can just drop it in our comment section. I will promise to break it down for you. Thank you all. Now, in inequalities, we deal with four symbols, and these symbols are not as important as it is. And the way I always treat it, I always tell my students that the signs can be treated as equal to sign. For example, when you have x plus 2 equals to 5, or x plus 2 is less than 5. Now, the same way you are solving this is the same way you will solve this. Okay, what will not differentiate them is the sign that separates them, which is this is an equal sign while this is an inequality sign. So there are four inequality signs that we need to know. Now, the way we were taught in our primary school or junior secondary, now we have our less than. We were taught that our left hand stand for less than. So once you bend your left hand, then it indicates less than, while our right hand here symbolizes greater than. So the moment you fold your right hand the way I'm doing, then you know that it stands for greater than. So we have greater than. We have greater than. The last one would be the less than or equal to. The less than or equal to. And we have the last one, which is the greater than